Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. Today we will learn how to add live weather widget on Blogger website. So let's start the video. First we will land on the widget. So here is a widget. Do settings according to your choice such as automatic location or chosen location, language, location name, current weather, pressure, humidity, wind, hour by hour forecast. All these parameters which you want to show scale of temperature, icons, font, etc. etc. After doing these settings, copy the code and paste it on the website. So here is a code. You can copy it from here. So we will copy the code and move to the back end of our website. So here I have already pasted that code. Here you can see. So we will again save it and save it from here also. Then at the end, we will refresh the website just to confirm the installation of the widget. So here you can see widget is successfully installed and location is shown according to the GPS. So that was today's video. I hope you all liked it, my video. We will inshallah meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.